Hello boys, how are you all? You are watching English with Ikram. So in our last video we have discussed tenses, that where tenses came from, the origin of tense, and we understood each and every doubt about tenses. Now we are going to discuss the first branch of tense. After this we will discuss many branch and sub branches of tense. So today we are going to discuss the first branch of tense and the main branch. Present simple tense is also which is also known as present indefinite tense. So here you can see the formula of this tense. Simple. This is the formula for the present simple tense. Subject plus first form of the verb. This the here you can see it has been written the first form of the verb with s, es, ies. Where it is necessary you can put s, es and ies in the first form of the verb. After that you can put object in the sentence, and here you can see your sentence is made. For example, he goes to school. He goes to school. This is our subject, this is our first form of the verb, and this is our object according to the formula, and this is our present simple tense. It is used for those actions which we do regularly. For example, I go to school daily. For example, our habits which we do on the daily basis, those actions which we do on the daily basis regularly, or which are our habits. I play PUBG, etc. Now you should memorize one more thing. There are main three persons of pronoun: first person, second person and third person. He, she, it, these are called third person. I, we, they. I, we, these are called first person, and you is called second person. I am talking with you, so I am first person, and you are listening me, you are second person. And talking about for example, he is a good boy, that is third person. So s, es and ies come with third person and singular pronoun. For example, they is also a third person, but in the verb of first form s, es will not come when we put they. When we put he, she, it in a sentence, then we will also put s, es and ies with the first form of the verb. You play cricket. I am talking about second person, you is second person, and here you can see I do not put s, es with the first person. If I write here I play football, and when I put e instead of you, e play football, this is incorrect. E plays football, this will be correct. And these are the signs of present indefinite tense. You can make as well negative sentences, interrogative sentences. I am going to teach you that now. Now we will talk about the helping verb of present indefinite tense or present simple tense. Do and does. Do is used only. Does is used with third persons, he, she, it. Do is used with I, we, you, they. And when we talk about the negative sentences, the formula will be like this: subject plus helping verb plus not, then first form of the verb plus object. And sorry for this mistake, this is incorrect. I do not play football. According to formula, I do not play football. He does not go to school. Also you can make interrogative sentences same as it, but in interrogative sentences you should bring the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Do you play cricket? Does he go to school? And here it is the formula for interrogative sentences. Helping verb will come in the beginning of sentence, then subject, then first form of the verb, and then object with question mark. So I will share also notes of this present simple tense in the description. You can see and download it from there.